Japanese tea is becoming increasingly popular around the world, and there are many different types of Japanese tea. The difference in taste and flavor is created by the way tea leaves are grown and processed. Most of the tea grown and produced in Japan is green tea. Unlike black tea and oolong tea, which are fermented teas, Japanese tea is unfermented. The same tea leaves have different flavors and aromas depending on how and where they are grown and how they are processed. Currently, there are more than 60 registered varieties of Japanese tea, and each has its own unique aroma and taste. Japanese tea is produced in many regions of Japan. Shizuoka Prefecture is one of the top producing regions of tea in Japan. Meanwhile, Kagoshima Prefecture ranks right along with Shizuoka Prefecture as one of the country's top tea-producing regions. There's Mie Prefecture, which comes in third after Shizuoka and Kagoshima prefectures. KYOTO Prefecture is known as the birthplace of Gyokuro, Japan's highest grade and most expensive tea. On the island of Kyushu, MIYAZAKI Prefecture has a mild climate suitable for tea cultivation. Other Japanese teas are also grown in various parts of Japan. Enjoy some Japanese tea and learn where it's from. The flavor and body are reflecting a climate and a production technique unique to a certain region that might become your best cup of Japanese tea yet.